Yeah, yeah. I mean, there is a real risk of being over reliant. There's a risk to the creator of being overly reliant. It's actually an example of something that for a long time has been called automation bias. So, think about when the, what's used to be called mail merge, but document assembly with your word
Yeah, yeah.
processor. You've got a document template, right? And then you give it a list of names and addresses, and it fills them in and spits out 100 copies of a letter, right? And you might think, well, if you create the template correctly and you give it a list of names and addresses, you can just push a button and then create all those versions of the letter addressed to 100 people and not have to review the results. But you
Right.
know what? What if there was some strange things about some of the how some of the names were listed in your list of names?
Right.
Like it had a first name and a middle name, hyphenated or something. There might actually be errors in what would seem like a
Oh,
foolproof process. But the assumption that you don't need to review the output because it must be correct because a computer created it is an
right.
example of automation bias.